The 2020 Morgan Plus 4. The 2020 Morgan Plus 4 is a new generation version of the company's iconic two-door Roadster. It replaces the third-generation model that was introduced in 2005, and even though it looks mostly the same on the outside, 97% of its components are new. The 2020 Plus 4 rides on HE's same CX generation bonded aluminum platform that debuted in the Plus 6 in 2019. And just like its bigger sibling, the Plus 4 features a turbocharged engine borrowed from BMW. The unit in question is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder that cranks out 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Sporting the same vintage look on the outside and Spartan yet stylish layout on the inside, the Plus 4 is actually a modern vehicle under the shell. The bonded aluminum platform is notably more rigid than before and makes the Plus 4 as dynamic as any modern sports car. The powerful BMW engine makes it quick as well, with the 0 to 62 mph benchmark estimated at a scant 4.8 seconds. Morgan offers 6-speed manual and 8-speed automatic transmissions, also sourced from BMW.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.